India's biggest corporate cycling event, Republic Day Ride, will be held at GMC Balayogi Stadium at Gachibowli in Hyderabad on January 26. The Republic Ride 2014 will begin with the flag hoisting at 7 a.m. by A.K. Khan, DG of the Anti-Corruption Bureau. The signature ride of 100 kilometers will be flagged off by Arunima Sinha, the world's first female amputee to climb the Everest. 6,000 bicyclists from over 100 plus MNCs will take part in the event. The ride will be extended to other metros such as Mumbai, Chennai, and Bangalore, informed Dinanath Harapanahalli, founder and chairman of the Atlanta Foundation.
Providing cycles. There are many who bring their own cycles, especially those who attempt the 100 kilometers and the long distances like that. Those who want to get re-exposed to cycling and enjoy cycling in a limited fashion after many years of not cycling, for them we provide cycles. We typically have about 1,000 cycles in the Gachibowli Stadium that day. And the process is, those who don't have cycles, they come, they stand in a queue, they get their cycle, they get their helmet, and they go around the route. They enjoy as much of cycling as they want. It's a protected track. There's no traffic on that. That is why there are many children who start. Rishi, for example, started cycling in the protected track for 2-3 events and then got the experience to go on to the longer route. Then they return the cycle and enjoy the other events that day, and they go home. So that's essentially how it happens. Of consecutive freedom rides, and that will go on. The format of the freedom ride is it increases by 1 kilometer every year. So we started with 62 kilometers in 2009. Last year was 66, and this year is going to be 67 kilometers. So advance welcome to all of you, and please do put a word about that, because some people think that they do need to practice for months before they're ready for a long distance like that.